Welcome to this Excel Updates video covering the Group By function. For the project, Microsoft 365 Excel is required. Be sure you are using the most recent version before starting the project. In Excel for Desktop, open the Excel Updates desktop data file .xlsx file. Dynamic arrays in Excel allow formulas to return multiple values that spill into adjacent cells automatically. The area where the results spill dynamically updates when the source data changes. If another value blocks the spill range, Excel returns a spill error. Go to worksheet D06. The Group By function is a dynamic array function that allows you to create a summary of your data via formula. It supports grouping along one axis and aggregating the associated values. In this example, we will use the Group By function to create a summary of the states in column B and their associated sales values from column C. Click in cell E2 and type equals Group By left parenthesis. Notice the 7 function arguments. Only the first 3 arguments are required, but we will use the first 5 in our formula. The first function argument is row fields, and in our example, this is the state column, so select cells B2 to B22. Add a comma to the end of the formula and select our values for the formula, which is sales from column C, cells C2 to C22. Next, add a column to the end of the formula to see the next function argument, which is the function. The drop-down menu shows the available functions to choose from. We will use sum. You can type sum or click it in the drop-down menu. Add another comma to the end of the formula and the options for the field headers argument appear. We will choose 3 or click yes and show because we want to see the headers from the data in our formula results. Add another comma and take a look at the total depth argument for the Group By function. Here we can choose what kind of totals we want the formula to display. Type 1 or click grand totals. Add a closed parenthesis to the formula and press enter. The last 3 function arguments that we didn't use in the formula can be used to sort or filter the results. Now let's review the contents of that Group By function one more time before we leave it. The B2 to B22 is the row fields. The C22 to C22 is the values. The sum is the function. The 3 is the field header setting. And the 1 is the grand total setting. And here are the results of the Group By formula we created. A spill error occurs in Excel when a formula using a dynamic array tries to return multiple values, but it cannot because of obstructions or constraints. If there is data or formatting in the range where the formula needs to spill, Excel cannot overwrite it. You also cannot manually type in cells within a dynamic array spill range because Excel automatically populates them based on the formula. You can use the dynamic array data outside the dynamic array by copying it and pasting it. You would select the entire spill range and press Ctrl-C to copy and then go to your destination and use Paste Special Values. Okay, that's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Dietz. Have a great day.